Okay, this is a video on how to replace your Interceptor magazine spring. Take off the bottom. This is a T10 Torx screw. This comes off. And they're held in with these screws here. These are also T10. I'm using a little pick here to get it free. Loosen the other one. And it just slides out the top there. So putting it back together is the same way. It's a little trickier to get it back in. Start with one side first. Bottomed out there and it's pinched by the screw. Feed this side in. And gotta pull out some slack. And then hold tension on it so that it can bottom out. Tighten that up. Put the base plate back on.